So as specializing in startups the way we do, we rely on a number of really high-end partners to help us. And one of my favorite is Faisal. We call him Team Faisal. And he has done an amazing job working with us on all our Facebook ad manager needs, as well as our Google advertising needs. So from the beginning, which is at least 2 years ago, he was able to step in and really take control and take so much pressure off of me by doing the roll up your sleeves nitty gritty work that's required to really make Facebook Ad Manager and these other ad platforms work. So I've been very grateful to have him on the team. He provides great advice. He's got really good insights into what works in digital marketing. And he's been able to help us. We have one client, we generated over $1 million in sales in a relatively short period of time, about a year. So, we have some proven results, and he's been a part of that. And I'm looking forward to continuing to work with him. And I think if somebody has the chance to engage him, they're gonna want to do that.